Hello. In this video, we will see how to create availability calendar and assign with any event. From the left hand side menu, click on availability. Here, click on new calendar icon, enter title and click on continue. Click on the edit icon here. Here you can set your day and time accordingly. So for example, if I don't have to take any appointments for Sunday and Saturday, I can simply switch this off. For Monday, I can set time. So for example, 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. and then again from 3 p.m. to 7 p.m. Similarly, I can set for each day. Here I can also add date overrides. So for example, on a specific date, my timings are different or I'm not available, I can add it from here. I can change the time from here or select the date and select mark unavailable and then add. You can select time zone from the drop down and then click on save calendar. Once this is saved, go to events, click on the edit icon, scroll down and here you can select your calendar from the drop down. Click on update. Thank you.